Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters to your picture on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the photo button within the create new section, then select the picture that you would like to edit. Then click on the filter button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find a bunch of filters: lunar, moss, barn, skin, moody. So these are categories, and within these categories you can find all of the available filters. So tap on the filters, check out how they look like when they are applied to your picture, so you can adjust them by using the slide in the middle of the screen. So feel free to check them out. As you can see, some of them are locked, so you need to go premium in order to unlock them. And if you are done, click on the X button, tap on the check mark icon, and then your filter will be applied to your picture. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.